Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into mastering Notion for cookbook recipe management, the 2025 full guide. So let's get cooking. First things first, you'll want to open Notion and create a new page. This will be your digital kitchen where you'll store, organize, and manage your recipes. Doing this helps us maintain order, making it easy to find any recipe we want. Now that we've done that, let's move on to creating a template for our recipes. Click on the Templates button and start customizing. Typically, you'll want to include the recipe name, ingredients, preparation time, cooking time, and steps. This helps us because having a consistent layout makes it easier to read and follow the recipes. Next up, let's add our first recipe. Click on New, then fill in the details using the template you've created. The reason we do this is to keep every recipe uniform and easy to read. Plus, it saves us time because we don't have to format each recipe from scratch. Now, here's what's happening behind the scenes. Notion is saving all this information in a database, which means we can tag, filter, and sort our recipes as we please. For instance, you can categorize your recipes by cuisine, meal type, or even specific dietary requirements. This makes it a breeze to find a particular recipe when you need it. Let me explain why this matters. Imagine you have guests coming over who are vegan. Instead of scrolling through dozens of recipes, you can simply filter to show only vegan dishes. It's all about efficiency and convenience. Lastly, don't forget to make use of the comments section of each recipe. Here, you can jot down personal notes or tweaks you've made to the recipe. This helps you remember what worked and what didn't the next time you whip up that dish. And just like that, we've created a streamlined, easy-to-use digital cookbook using Notion. It's an upgrade from the traditional cookbook, giving you more control and flexibility over your recipes. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video where we continue exploring how to get the most out of Notion.